Honeywell is a technology company. We believe that we need to always be on the leading edge. We're bringing every product to the market faster to improve everyone's life. We build the products and they have to be tested. Before COVID, we'd have a couple hundred engineers all in a facility to do this factory acceptance test. As we went into COVID-19 lockdowns, we couldn't get the engineers here anymore. We just couldn't do it. With the use of Teams and RealWear, we don't have to have everyone in the same location.
The ability for a first-line worker to be at a task, hands-free, reach out to an expert, and they can work through the problem together. And that saves a tremendous amount of time, eliminates travel, and resolves the problem more quickly.
The first-line worker gets down there with the camera to share what the person's seeing at site with the engineers back in the lab.
They can actually follow through the instructions which is guided to them.
So it gives them access to information, much like a pilot looks down at his instruments and then back up into reality.
Everyone else is witnessing, checking, signing off a document. It didn't matter if they were in South Korea, Germany, get everybody connected.
This is actually a game changer. It reduces the time to get the solutions.
It's a bridge between inside of Honeywell and it's a bridge to their customers.
If Teams and wearables hadn't been available, we would have extended our test by months, expanded our cost drastically, which would have put a drastic impact on our customers.
A part plant that's shut down can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. With an HMT1, you've turned your 24-hour downtime to a 20-minute downtime, and that is a huge impact on business.
We have maintained in the Americas every project that we had scheduled during the COVID crisis.
We've been going on this collective journey to the new normal, and thanks to our partnership of RealWear, Microsoft, and Honeywell, it's also the future of industrial work, and that's a pretty exciting thing to be a part of.
I believe what we've proven is that we can now do this a better way. We're looking forward to the next steps and how we can even take this to another level.